Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It
Alright, so I recorded the whole video and forgot to include this, so I'm going to put it before the video. Anyone who purchases this OVO sample kit will also be automatically entered in a contest, and the contest is for a website. One winner will win $50 gift card to Beat It AT website, as well as 25% off coupon from our website, and then they will also get a free drum kit or sample kit that is unreleased, or like the upcoming one that is about to come out but isn't out yet. So that one lucky person, whoever buys the AT OVO sample kit, will get that. We will send out an email to the winner. We'll automatically have their email because of the purchase and order. If you also use your producer name and we don't hear from you via email, we will also try to reach you through Instagram. So yeah, have fun. Enjoy the video. What's up, guys? It is Andrew of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a quick, short video. Just wanted to do a video going over a brand new sample pack we released. That is the AT OVO samples. It's a limited edition sample pack, meaning there was only 30 copies. There's already 10 copies sold, so it's going pretty quick, given that we just uploaded this the other day. And this is a sample pack that has 10 unique original melodic loop compositions, and you also get a free drum kit, which we'll go through that as well. It is mostly the style of Drake, more of like classic 40 OVO Drake, not any like trap or variant that other thing that he might have done, variation, but it's more of like what you would consider the Drake sound. And we want you guys to have access to these great samples and be able to make those type of beats. All these samples are royalty free for independent producers and beat makers and artists. So if you are signed to a major record label and are looking to do like an exclusive ownership over something, please contact us beforehand so we can work through it. But if you're independent and not signed to a major record label, then everything is good to go, and you guys can keep everything, and we want you guys to eat and make some money off of your production and work. So first sample, we got Dialogue, 70 beats per minute, F sharp minor. I'm just gonna play snippets. We already have a video that goes through all of these samples, but as you guys can see in the files, you guys get the baseline clap. Current is the same thing as master, since we just bounce these out from our FL Studio. Hi-hat, kick, no drums, the vocals, snare. So if we play, or this one without the drums, if you guys were just wondering what that sounds like, eyes closed, 90 beats per minute, C minor, pretty fire. I really like that one a lot. I think someone can make a smash with that. We got Firing Squad, you get the 808, snare, clap. You guys could even make a whole beat with this. So current. Next one, Habits. Or without the drums. Actually, was it Rough Times? Yeah, Rough Times. We used, it was a beat breakdown of Rough Times, I believe. And I think the one that I actually, or was it? I can't remember. But there was 2 YouTube videos I had of the sample pack. But Rough Times. Running Back to You. D minor, 90 beats per minute. You guys can kind of get the idea of what these samples are. No drums. Super fire. 85 beats per minute. F sharp minor. My co-producer Tony actually made all of these samples. They're super fire, the OVO samples. So those are all the melodic loops. You guys see all the files you get. You guys see how it's laid out. We give you all the information so you guys know exactly what you're getting and how to use them. Go into the free OVO drum kits. So here's the 808s. I mean, here is the free sorry, these are the 808s, but these are all the free drum samples you guys get if you guys get the sample pack. But you also can just download these off of our website through the link down below. So I'll put the link to the sample kit down below. Yeah, so this is Andrew, Beat It AT P&P. Hopefully you guys cop this drum kit and sample kit before they all run out or go away. So yeah, see you guys later. Be sure to subscribe and like. If you guys subscribe and click the push bell notification, you'll be notified whenever we drop a new video, so you guys will know when we drop new sample kits and such. See ya.